Good evening everyone. So I am Altairine Melaro from Batch 4. So yung topic po natin today in August 22. May listahan ka pa ba ng kasalanan or redemption? At ang scripture po natin yan ay matatagpuan sa Ephesians 1 verse 7. So basahin po muna natin yung konsepto ng redemption. It refers to Christ's savings work as an act of buying back sinners from the bondage to sin, death, and the devil through the payment of a ransom, his own life. The imaginary is drawn from the slave markets of the ancient world, where captives were purchased and set free, while the ransom concept is biblical, caution against specifying to whom the ransom was paid. The focus is not on the recipient, but on the Redeemer, Jesus Christ, who satisfied God's justice and liberated us by His blood. So, dito po, ang nire-refer na po, ibig sabihin ng redemption, it refers to Christ's savings work as an act of buying back. So, dito po, in redemption, syempre, parang same lang din po siya ng pagtubos ng ating Jesus Christ mula sa ating kasalanan. Kumbaga, binuwis niya po ang kanyang buhay, ang kanyang dugo upang muli tayong matubos sa ating kasalanan, na siya yung nagbayad ng kasalanan ng mga tao instead na tayo. So, sabi dito na Jesus Christ who satisfied God's justice and liberated us by His blood. So, inutos po yun ng kanyang Ama, which is ang ating Panginoong Diyos, na kung saan never naging problem yun kay Jesus Christ sa tinanggap niya, at talaga naman inako na yung mga bagay na hindi naman talaga dapat na para sa kanya. So, doon pa lamang po, no, na nakikita talaga natin kung gaano tayo kamahal ng Panginoong Diyos, and also gaano tayo kamahal kay Jesus Christ, dahil handa ng ibus ang kanyang buhay para lang tayo ay maiwas sa kaparusahan. And sabi sa teachings, redemption summarizes the entire Bible. Redemption shows the beauty of the cross, and redemption shapes us into Christ-like character. So, sabi dito, from the words of Christ-like character, it is about doing something na pagbibigay or pag-aakto mo bilang isang anak ng Diyos. Kumbaga, talagang nare-reflect mo sa sa iyong pagkatao, at talaga nakikitaan tayo ng pagiging Kristiyano. So, that's all po. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day ahead for tomorrow. Bye.